Just tarnished. Nice. Let me, I'll ring this light for myself. Okay, this is stretchy little beaded bracelet. Is this an earring? Oh no, it's not. I was gonna say that would hurt your ear if that was an earring. Oh, it's a neat little necklace. It's not a cord though. I don't like necklaces on cord. Do you tell me no? Do you guys like necklaces on cords? I don't know. This is okay. It's long, so I don't. But I don't know. Somehow the cords just start feeling really like grody and I don't know. But this is a long necklace, so this isn't too bad. Oh, come on. It's really long and then it goes into this, which that would be neat to wear. That's nice. That is a nice necklace. Alright, what's this? This looks like it has a hang tag, and it does. Kind of looks sterling to me. Let's see what it says, shall we? Ooh, it says something fancy. Come on, what do you say? The princess, is it Premier Designs? I always say princess. I always say princess because it's PD and I always think of Princess Diana. It's Premier Designs. Yep, it's Premier Designs. Awesome! It's a Premier Design bracelet. Let's see if it's magnetic. Yeah. Okay. I got my magnet over there, by the way. I have bracelets on it, or I would take it off and show it to you. There's a nice little earring that's a glass bead. Put over there. Oh, I flew. Ooh, look, this has a hang tag. That gold chain, I went and flew over there. Let's see what it says. Shall we? Back over there. Know your place. Know your place. Okay. Does it say what I think it says? It's Monet. Because you know why? Because Monet means money. Nice Monet. Simple chain. But it's Monet. Simple Monet. Gold tone chain. Yeah. We like our Monet. I've been trying to figure out how to make my Monet shirts. I get frustrated every time I try to make some t-shirts. So you guys can buy some t-shirts from me if you like. See if that's magnetic. And it is major time. I don't like stuff like this because it's just really cheap looking, but maybe somebody can take it apart. I don't know. Single earring. Oh, the single earring. Ooh, look at that. That's an interesting earring. It's got a horse on it. I thought the cow jumped over the moon, not the horse. Well, that is an interesting earring, and I hope I find its mate. We'll put it over there. It's got the yin yang sign on it. Ooh, somebody likes spiky jewelry. Got a faux pearl necklace. Different size beads. And another one with a peace sign. Alright, we gotta get more jewelry out. More jewelry, more jewelry. Ow, I picked it up with the wrong arm. What will we pick? What will we pick? Ooh, I see a clip-on earring in there. Well, I'm gonna have a lot of these. There's a lot of these in there. Well, it actually wouldn't look too bad if you wore them. Ooh, I see a clamper bracelet. Oh, this is heavy to pull this out of here. I see a bunch of tangles in my future. Look at that. Woo! Let's go in on it. Zoom in on it. First of all, let's look at this because it's a clamper. It's magnetic because stuff is sticking to it. Yellow. You don't see a lot of yellow jewelry. It's magnetic. That's nice. Nice clamper. I think it's too small for me. Oh, it does fit. Pop a color to your wardrobe. Your outfit. Ooh! Bad! Sorry about that. Alright, and then we have this necklace, which is chips of some sort of stone, and it's pink stones. So we're going to go with pink quartz. Don't have any clue, we're just guessing. I did not do well in my college earth science when it came to naming the rocks, I was just like, I live in Missouri, a rock's a rock. Okay, that's a pretty one, but other than that, it's a rock. I don't, you know, and I like flunked that part of it. I barely got through that class. But here's the chips. Could they just be glass? They're not cold though. Okay, it doesn't want to come off there. We got shells. Anybody like shells? Most of I just throw those away. Alright, I'm trying to divide here. Divide and conquer. I've had these kind of earrings before. They remind me of a harp. Doing you have a real hard time getting other stuff untangled from it because you don't want to break the string. And this is right in the middle of it, and it's attached. And you spend all your time trying to get it, and you're like, forget it. I'm being lazy and putting it to the side. Alright, come on, I need something. Something fall out of there. Let's just pick it up and say, fall out. Oop, something fell out. Okay, this fell out. We'll deal with this first. So we got some more of these stretchy things. We got something that looks like I'm not going to keep because it's, ugh, I don't like that. More of that one of those. This is a bangle bracelet. Okay, we got a single, oops, you're not down far enough. Sorry. Single earring. Another single earring. Halloween single earring. Here's a nice little ID bracelet that says Hope on it. It's magnetic. Couple pearl. This is all just bits and bobs of nothingness. Don't come on to me for throwing stuff away. It's my jewelry and I'll throw it away if I... Whoa! Want to? What is this? That's a fish that wants to eat you. Arrgh. Look at that. It's a little scary. A little scary, a little scary. Let's get it out of here. Come here. Okay. It is on a... that part of the chain wrapped around it. The chain is broke, I think. Put you on pause for a minute while I get this on. Okay, guys, it's not broken. It's not magnetic, and neither is the chain, so it's gonna have to be tested. It's interesting. There's no marks on it. I looked all over the fish, and I looked at the lobster claw class, so it's not that old, the lobster claw class, but it's just interesting. That is the most interesting out of the bunch so far. So let's... Oh, there they go. A long necklace, I have a feeling. Oh, maybe it's not long, it's doubled. Wait a minute, where's the end? Oh, these confuse me when they do this. I think it's broke. It's broke! Because there's that and there's that, and I'm confused, and it's got the lobster clasp there, but there's nothing attached to it. I don't know. I'm not messing with it. Alright, these feel like, ooh, these feel like nice glass beads. Yeah, they are glass beads. My heat's on, I'm hot. Put that over there. So, these are glass beads. Look at those, they got stuff inside of them. And all these are glass, or chips of something, these are glass. So it's kind of all wrapped up. It's got this around it. Okay, that came out. Two things wrapped around it. And an earring. The earring off. Put it in a single earring pile. And I think it's just kind of tangled around itself. It does have, it might be multiple, oh, it's like this. Might be multiple strands. I don't know. Hold on a second, I'm going to pause it. This is just a very, very long, heavy, somebody has made it, necklace with a lot of nice glass beads on it and seed beads in this blue color. And it's just, I mean, look how long this thing is. It's really nice. Somebody will like that just for the beads alone. Okay, and then while we were at it, we pulled these out. Making one down. This looks like a little charm necklace. There it is. It's got a little bar on it. With rhinestones and a little heart that says love on the key. Nice. I don't like that kind of chain, but I will. And no hang tag or anything. That's a nice, cute little bracelet. This is on a cord. Nothing special. Kind of like the Overstock O, isn't it? No thanks. Bangle plastic bracelet. Something, I think this is magnetic or something. Ooh, a locket that says BFF. Let me see if there's any pictures of people in it. Nope. Oh, that's an earring. I thought it was a bracelet. Oh, I'm running out of time here. One earring. Put it over there. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, I like this necklace. Look at this. I like the end of that necklace. That's nice. This is what it wants me to work on. So, what is this? There's a nice earring. I don't like these kind of bracelets. Other people don't either because they don't want to sell. Ooh, there we go. Stretchy rhinestone. I'm going to harvest the rhinestone. This, what is this? Oh, I guess you can knot it and it's... Oh, I know. Somebody tell me what these are called. I know what they're... I've had them before. Oh, maybe it's a belt. It's got two hooks on it. Oh, somebody said that you put these on either side of your shirt. See? Make a knot in it. This is the necklace I'm interested in, if it would come undone. The only bad part about doing jewelry is you gotta do all this untangling. You just want to get to the jewelry. I have a feeling there's something magnetic in here. Oh, there's Elsa. What's her name? The girl from Frozen. I don't have any little kids, so I don't know. That's probably what this goes to this for. Okay, this won't come undone. If I break something, I'm gonna be mad. Not myself. Those look like hematite, don't it? I don't know, I'm guessing. I give up. Bye. Sorry, I give up. I give up easy, but I'm just like, no, I'm not dealing with it. Look at this. Ooh, we have some stuff falling out. There we go. Earring. Wooden beaded necklace. What I say is pink quartz, but I have no clue. I'm just guessing. The bee necklace, which is very tarnished. Okay. Anything else want to fall out? Ooh, an earring. Come on, you know you want to fall out. Fall out, fall out. It doesn't want to fall out. There, that fell out. That's supposed to fall out. Just small beads. Necklace. Alright, I think I'm going to end it there, guys. When I come back, I'll do the rest. I'm not going to do any more tonight. So far, the most interesting we've got out of there is this. Fish. Thanks for watching, ladies. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, like my video, subscribe if you haven't, and go over and join my Facebook group. It's Vintage Wear Today. That's where I'm doing my auctions from now on.